Welcome to the community of Sherbrook. This home is at 6701 Collingwood Drive. It is located in Genoa Township and wonderful Westerville City Schools. We're glad you're here. Let's go inside and take a tour. This wonderful open floor plan home is ready for you to just move right in. This home is just under 2,000 square feet. It features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 2-car garage. It's not only been wonderfully and beautifully updated, but it has been impeccably maintained. This home has a new HVAC Furnace and AC hot water tank, all installed in 2019, and the roof is less than 5 years old. It's been beautifully updated with all laminate flooring on the main floor, new lighting and fixtures throughout the home. The details in this home make it very special. You're going to love living in this home and in the community of Sherbrook. This open floor plan features a wonderful great room with a vaulted ceiling, a spacious dining room that is light filled, and then it's open onto the wonderful kitchen. The kitchen is truly the heart of this home. This home has an amazing kitchen with ample white cabinets, beautiful gray countertops, and a large pantry. There's a casual dining space adjacent that leads out onto your beautiful new Trex deck, and a half bath and a laundry room complete the main floor. This home features the perfect backyard with a brand new Trex deck with room for a table and seating area, a fully fenced yard with ample green space in it. It also features a built-in fire pit. This home backs to the Sherbrook community green space, so you feel like your yard is even larger. And it's just around the corner from Central High School and Alcott Elementary. The Genoa Middle School is just up the street. This is the perfect place to spend time with family and friends and enjoy the beautiful weather that Ohio has to offer. Upstairs, this home has a large owner's retreat with an ensuite bath with 2 sinks and a shower tub combination and a walk-in closet. There are 2 additional bedrooms and a full hall bath, along with a fantastic loft space that has beautiful views of your backyard and overlooks the great room. It's the perfect space to curl up and read a book, to work from home, or if you have students working from home taking classes. It's a wonderful space in this home. You're going to love this beautiful home in Westerville. Reach out to us with questions anytime.